You can't beat the looks of a classic Jeep, but don't you wish your Jeep ran as good as it looked? Well, with a little help from the team at Holley and Sniper EFI, you can ditch that outdated fuel system and upgrade it to fuel injection without breaking the bank. The Sniper EFI BBD is a bolt-on EFI system designed to replace the BBD carburetors found on most 1971 through 1986 Jeep CJs with a 258 cubic inch inline-six engine. The two 100 pound-per-hour injectors are capable of supporting up to 350 horsepower at the crank. Are you tired of adjusting or rebuilding the carb on your CJ, or just embarrassed by its lack of performance? What about the fuel starvation problems encountered on extreme inclines and off-camber trails? Leave those worries behind. Sniper EFI BBD is the perfect solution to your problems. Expanding on the tried and true versatility and reliability of the original Sniper, our BBD EFI system shares the same great features like simple 4-wire hookup, full color touchscreen, built-in fuel pressure regulator, a Bosch wideband O2 sensor, OEM-style sensors, and a self-tuning throttle body mounted ECU. It feels right at home on any trail rig, daily driver, or weekend warrior. Not only will you get improved throttle response, Sniper EFI BBD offers more power at wide open throttle when compared to the stock carburetors. With the use of one of our HyperSpark ignition systems, you'll also have the ability to control ignition timing to get even more stump pulling power out of your inline six. So whether you're cruising the streets, surfing the sand, or hitting the trails, put an end to your Jeep's cold start issues, vapor lock problems, and fuel starvation issues with the accuracy of Sniper EFI. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Sniper EFI BBD system for your Jeep, visit our website at sniperefi.com.